Okay children, so we have completed the homework. Now let's discuss the topic continuing with the properties of integers. In previous class you remember we have discussed 5 properties of integers under multiplication. Which are the properties? Closure property, commutative property, associative property, multiplication by 0, multiplication by 1. I hope you all have learned the notes. Now we are moving on to the 6th property. Okay, it's a very important property. Distributive property of multiplication over addition or subtraction. The name itself we can make it short, distributive property. Okay, so it's full less distributive property of multiplication over addition or subtraction. That means this property has 2 operations: multiplication over addition or multiplication over subtraction. Okay, that through example I'll explain. That means if A, B, C are 3 integers. So this property we are explaining with 3 integers. So like associative property we have explained with 3 integers. So in the same way we are going to explain the distributive property also with the 3 integers. Okay, so that is the property says that A into, okay, first integer into bracket, A into bracket, second integer B plus multiplication over addition, inside bracket plus C is equal to A into bracket B plus C is equal to A into B. The A is the outside member. The integer outside is A. That A is going to be distributed with B and C. That's why this property is known as distribute. Distributing means what? To give. Okay. So the outside integer is going to be distributed with B and with C. How? A into B, then middle operation plus, then A into C. So it's a big property. What's the property? A, B, C are 3 integers. Then A into bracket B plus C. Okay, is equal to. This is called the left side of the property. Left hand side. LHS, left hand side, and the right hand side of the property says the number A, the outside member, is distributed to the inside members. That is A into B plus is the middle operation, then A into C. Okay, instead of plus, minus can also come. That's why I wrote the property multiplication over addition, or this is multiplication over addition. If it comes in subtraction, how do you write? That is A into bracket B, instead of plus we write minus, B minus C. A into B minus C is equal to, same way, distributing A. That is A into B and middle operation minus A into B. A is distributed to B. Now A is going to be distributed to C. So A into C. And this property is known as distributive property. And distributive property has 2 sides, left hand side and right hand side. So left hand side is in the form, the member A is out and bracket B plus C. Whereas in right hand side there is no bracket, the A is being taken to B plus A is being taken to C. So A into B plus A into C. Okay. Instead of plus, minus can also come. Then it will become A into bracket B minus C. So the left hand side part is the short form of the distributive property and right hand side part is the long form. That is A into B minus A into C. Okay. This property is known as distributive property. So how we are going to verify this property? The question comes, verify the property. There will be a question coming, I will show that. So what is distributive property, all have understood? Next see how we can solve question based on distributive property. Okay. So So these two properties together we can write it in the form A into bracket B plus or minus. Instead of writing two separate distributive property, we can put it together is equal to A is distributed to B. A into B plus or minus. If it is plus, we will use plus form. If it is minus, we will use the minus form into A into C. Okay. Now, how can we solve the question? Okay. A equal to verify. The question is verify. You know what do you mean by verify? Verify comes when the property has two parts. Here the property has two parts. This part is called left hand side. Okay. And this side calls right hand side, RHS. The property has two parts, LHS and RHS. Like commutative property has two parts, A into B equals to B into A. Associative property also has two parts, A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. So like that, this property has two parts, left hand side and right hand side. So when the question comes verify, which means you have to solve left hand side first, then right hand side next, and then see both the answers are same. Okay. So A equal to, for example, A equal to negative 3, B is equal to positive 2 and C is equal to negative 5. The question is verify this property. Which property? Distributive property. Verify distributive property. Okay. So what we do first? We will solve left hand side, LHS. What is our LHS? A into B plus C. Take the plus property, A into B plus C. So what we get? A, put the value of A. Negative 3 into bracket, okay, B. B is positive 2 plus C. C is negative 5. Okay, so when you solve it, negative 3 into, here comes the addition of integers. Go back to the addition of integers you learned. When two integers have different sign, subtract and put the sign of the bigger number. So it will give negative 3. Okay, then addition has come. Now multiplication rule. When two integers have same sign, multiply. 3 into 3, 9 and put the positive sign. So the left hand side is solved and we got the answer positive 9. Okay, now we have to solve the right hand side. What is right hand side? RHS. RHS is A into B plus A into C. RHS is a big part. So A, what is our A? Negative 3 into B. B is positive 2 plus negative 3 into negative 5. Okay, first multiply. This is multiplication. Two integers are having different sign. Negative 3 into positive 2. So what we get? Negative 6 plus. Middle sign is plus. Negative 3 into negative 5. Positive 15. Okay. Now comes addition. Now multiplication is over. Now comes addition. When two integers have different sign, subtract and put the bigger number sign. So positive 9. Now check the answers, children. Left hand side answer is also positive 9. Right hand side answer is also positive 9. So what we can say? Therefore, we can say LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, verified. Hence, verified. Hence, proved. So, I hope you understood the meaning of verify. In any question, verify comes, which means it has two parts. Left hand side part and right hand side part. Solve left hand side part first, then solve right hand side part and see the answers. Answers should come same. Then only we can say that left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence verified. That is the property how to solve the distributive property. Okay.